Hey everyone, and welcome back to Startup Yourself, where we're back with another amazing video for all of you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. We all wonder about money and how to earn or deal with it once we get it, but how often do we ask these questions? In today's video, we'll be talking about the 5 most important money questions, and we'll be answering them as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Here's a list of some frequently asked questions. How do I pay my debt? One of the most important and most frequently asked questions about money is related to debt. How to stay away from it and how to pay off debt once you're in it. Paying off debt is a very challenging and tricky situation, and sometimes it just keeps on growing. But with enough determination, planning, and effort, you can surely get it done. You can start with getting more side jobs and spending less money than you normally do. This way, you can save more money and easily pay off your debts and also earn some extra money. Tackling debt is very emotional, so you may want to journal through the experience. This way, you'll have great satisfaction at the end to look back at your journey and see how far you've come. When do I put money in a savings account? A savings account is for money, and that needs to be kept safe and sound, such as an emergency fund or for specific expenses due to the near future, like saving money to pay off your debts, paying for the house or fixing your car, etc. Even though the amount of money that goes into this account is comparatively less, but gradually over time, one starts to save more and more till it is enough for the purpose you need it for. Savings accounts earn very little, but there is complete confidence that the full amount will be available immediately when needed. This is what is called risk-free money. That's why an investment account is not the right place to keep an emergency fund. Savings is about certainty and immediate access, while investing is about the future and possibility. What is an investment account? An investment account is a bit different than a savings account. The term investment account refers to a type of financial account that contains a deposit of funds or securities that is held at a financial institution. The typical objectives of an investment account are to achieve long-term growth and income. Investing is about taking risks for the opportunity to grow money for future needs. This is retirement savings, college savings, and saving toward other goals in the future. In the long run, with time, investments grow, but on any one day, it's impossible to know exactly how much will be in the account. Investing is also about protecting your purchasing power so that your money grows faster. If you've watched the video up to this point, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Now, moving on to the next question. How do I pay taxes with an irregular income? If you are self-employed and only work on different gigs from time to time, then it's very obvious that you have irregular pay. You don't always work at fixed pay, and that can become quite a problem when you have to pay your taxes. Situations like these often tend to get complicated. To make things more organized and in order, what you need to do is write down your pay for each month and all of your expenses, including the taxes. This way, you have somewhat of an idea about what you have to save in order to fulfill your needs. Calculating your marginal tax rate and the correct amount to pay in an estimated taxes can be done efficiently by you. And since you're self-employed, you can control your hours of work and the money you make from it, which will also help you achieve the money goal that you're trying to save. What you need to do is keep a good record and calculate your payments and expenses. How do I figure out which debts to pay first? It only makes sense to pay off the most expensive debt first. What you need to do is prepare a list of all your debts, your balance, your interest rate, and minimal monthly amount due. In addition to the minimum, decide how much more you're going to pay every month to tackle your debt. Now you have a total amount that will be spent every month paying off debt. This way, you can continue to save some money bit by bit until you reach the required value. Each month, pay the minimum on the lower interest rate debts and apply everything else to the highest cost debt until it's paid off. As each debt is eliminated, the total amount you've embarked is rolled down like a snowball, and you'll be able to pay your other expenses and smaller debts as well. So that's all we have for today's video. We want to thank you guys for watching the video, and we hope you guys liked it. If you have any more money-related questions, comment down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.